Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
Hi, I was just on my way to class. What is the Student Association?
Oh, well, welcome first off to Student Association. We're actually here to serve students, so this includes services like our health and wellness team, clubs if you're interested in joining one, as well as our career services to support your future careers. We have a bunch of different services. Are you a full-time student?
Yeah, I'm a full-time student this year.
Okay, great. So actually as a full-time student, you're covered under our health and dental plan during your entire duration of your studies here at BCIT. So, if you ever have any questions, just reach out to us and we'll be able to answer any of those questions.
That's fantastic. I'm kind of lost. Do you have any, could you help me to get to the SA6?
Yeah, for sure. Actually, I have a map here. Here you go. So if you take a look here, all you gotta do is just go down the hall and you get to SE6 right here.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Take care.
Overall operations management is the administration of business practices to create the highest level of efficiency possible within an organization. So make sure you have your assignments in next week by Wednesday. Put us posted up on D2L, and we'll see you all next week and come to class.
Oh, hey there.
Oh, hey, you're in the operation management class, right?
Yeah, with Professor Bruce.
Yeah.
It was pretty funny.
Yeah, I'm Devin, by the way.
I'm Yasmin.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How many classes are you taking?
Yeah, I'm just checking and I got 2 hours, like no classes until the next
really?
one.
That's crazy. I do too, actually. Do you want to go grab a bite to eat or something with me?
Where do you eat around campus?
I'm not really sure. Or, actually, maybe we could go check out Pavilion there in anyone.
Yeah, I'm completely down for it. Yeah,
Wanna
let's
do
go
that?
check.
Sweet. Let's go do it. I'm
Okay,
hungry.
here we go.
Hey there.
Hi there.
2 coffees, please. So, what are your plans today, Evan?
I have to find a place to print up a poster for my class before Wednesday.
Oh, no, wait. You should try the print shop in SE2. They're super quick. I'm pretty sure they have a 24-hour turnaround time.
Right here on campus?
Yeah. Do you want me to show you where it is?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Sweet, let's go.
All right. Hey, good afternoon.
Hi, welcome to Campus Print Copy. What can I do for you?
I need to print up a couple of posters.
Sure thing. What size?
I need them in A4.
Cool, and how many do you need?
2 of them by the end of the week, please.
Yeah, sure thing.
Thank
Great.
you.
So that'll be ready for you at the end of the week. Come by and pick it up.
Thank you so much.
Awesome. Have a great day.
Thank you. Bye.